Hey Divine One, thanks for joining me for today's Inner Child Oracle card reading. Today I asked the question, what does our collective need to know about Valentine's Day today? 1, 2, 3, 4 on the clock right now, by the way. Big deep breath with me as you tune in and ask, is this Inner Child Oracle card reading for me? If it is, keep listening. We have a real truthful message coming at you today. So maybe you're wherever you're at on your relationship journey, what I'm feeling like is you've kind of cut a bunch of people off and you're in this place of like stillness, aloneness, and there's a lot coming up for you right now. A lot of questions, a lot of wonderings, a lot of thoughts. And the very first card I pulled was Chelsea Overwhelmed. Whenever Chelsea's present, you can even see on the card, there's a lot of mental energy going on here. So what Chelsea recommends you do right away is to pause, to set a timer for 10 minutes and just do a brain dump, get it all out on paper without thinking about it. Take some big deep breaths and come back to yourself. And Chelsea's mantra is taking one baby step, one breath at a time. Not thinking about the whole colossal fuck ton that you have to do or want to be, but just coming back to one step at a time. Next we have Ruth, Trauma Reversed. You've overcome a lot of trauma and you are finally ready to go out and adventure, right? So maybe you have a lot going on in your life. You're wondering if you should start dating. You're wondering if you need to invest more into your relationship. Ruth is saying you've done a lot of the work to get yourself there. Congratulations, open your heart. But then we have a couple of interesting cards. So while it's safe to open your heart, while you're ready for that new love, that new engagement, that new relationship, whatever it might be for you, it could even be a new relationship with yourself. The very first thing you have to do is get organized in your life. That mental energy might be coming from a lot of things that you have been putting off. So before you start diving into anything, make sure you're taking care of everything for you first. Create a plan, a step-by-step plan. Now this plan doesn't have to be done before you put yourself out there, but it's got to be created and there's got to be a level of commitment to self so we don't fall back into those old habits that we just healed with Ruth, right? And then we have Nayeste reversed also. Right here, you need to tune into the divine. You might be having a hard time connecting with that divine innate wisdom that you have and just seeking mental answers. But here she is saying, reach out to me, connect with me. I will help you solve all of this mental overwhelm. And the same thing with Alaric. You have all these bright, beautiful ideas. Your third eye is open and receiving them all, but you're having a hard time 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 taking action. So enough with the delay. Get yourself organized. Take tiny baby steps, big deep breaths, and let yourself move toward all that you